Many people already know about the United States pair of modified Boeing 747-200s that commonly go by the name Air Force One, and maybe, thanks to a recent video of ours, you might know about the modified IL-96 aircraft that the Russian president travels on. But of course, there are other countries around the world that have selected big jets for transporting their government leaders. Today, we'll look at some of the newest wide-body aircraft purchased by the German government for its executive transport wing. Until recently, the specially dedicated plane that transported members of Germany's government was the modified Airbus A350-900 widebody operated by the 1st Division of the German Air Force Luftwaffe. The aircraft was named Conrad Adenauer after the first Chancellor of the Federal Republic of Germany. Discussions to acquire new aircraft for the German government attracted the spotlight in November 2018, when Chancellor Angela Merkel was forced to give up on attending the opening of the G20 summit in Buenos Aires. The official plane that was supposed to take her to Argentina was Conrad Adenauer. Unfortunately, it was forced to an emergency landing in Cologne after an electronic distribution box caused several systems, including communications, to shut down. The Chancellor eventually took a commercial flight from Madrid to Argentina. Now, there's usually no shame in flying business class with Iberia's A330s. However, if your very expensive and private Airbus A340 paid for by German taxpayers isn't working properly, then yeah, it's pretty embarrassing. As a result of this 2018 incident, the country ordered 3 Airbus A350-900s in 2019. The full cost of the project was reported to be 1.2 billion euros, making it one of the most expensive governmental fleets on the planet. 288 million euros covered the cost of cabin refurbishments, and 229 million was used for various defense systems to be installed on the aircraft. The first of the Luftwaffe's A350s, number 10+03 Kurt Schumacher, was transferred to the service in August 2020 with an interim cabin. The flagship of the fleet, 10+01, also took the name of Conrad Adenauer and was delivered on November 16, 2022. Theodor Heuss, or 10+02, was handed over on March 16, 2023. The aircraft are referred to as the Regierungsflieger. Now, we probably didn't pronounce that too well, but we tried our best. This roughly translates to government aircraft. Unfortunately, we don't know what it looks like inside any of these 3 jets. However, according to Germany's Ministry of Defense, the interior of the 10+01 is equipped with a work and conference area, which is adjoined by a multifunctional lounge area. The remaining area is fitted with passenger seats for accompanying delegations. Unsurprisingly, the jet reportedly has an appropriate number of washrooms, as well as modern kitchen equipment. The news website Bundeswehr Journal reported that there's an open cabin design for the aircraft registered 10+03, but we don't know more than that. The Air Force uses the aircraft mainly for political, parliamentary VIP flights. So, what do you think of Germany's flagship governmental transport aircraft? Do you like it more or less than the United States Air Force One? Be sure to leave a comment down below to let us know. Aerotime is a global, multi-channel, digital, and professional hub, providing news, events, and advisory services to the aviation world. Be sure to subscribe to our newly relaunched YouTube channel and follow us on social media to get the latest aviation news.